Hi everyone, my name is Gazelle and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the UK's #1 marketplace, OnBuy. So if you want to learn what OnBuy is or how OnBuy works, so stay with me in this video, which is a very short video tutorial. It's not a tutorial, but stay with me and subscribe me. And also follow me on Instagram. Thank you. We're going to start. So what OnBuy is basically more like a championed eBay type, like a C2C style, and B2C like Amazon. I think OnBuy is like quite easier using than eBay and Amazon based on my own experiences. We started selling on OnBuy. So on OnBuy you can sell every product that you want to. OnBuy right now is like the fastest growing marketplace. This is crazy, and it's actually a great opportunity for UK based sellers or people who want to start selling online. You can just choose OnBuy and start selling in there. You need to make sure for OnBuy, the more products you're going to have listed in there, you're going to have better chance to make more sales. For us, the very first weeks when we started selling on OnBuy, it was quite unpredictable because we didn't really know if it's going to be good or not. But as we always know, we support local businesses because OnBuy is located in Dorset in the UK. And OnBuy is like quite might be not really predictable, and then maybe at first you would say that, am I going to make anything out of it? Yes, of course you can. If you just start listing more products in there, you can have the chance out of maybe thousands of different sellers right now in the UK, you're going to have the chance to sell. We were quite surprised we started selling in there, and not just any cheap item. No, we started selling quite really expensive items. Alright, so as I said about super luxurious item on OnBuy, once you just search an item, for example, in here I am typing Gucci lipstick and I'm waiting to find Gucci lipstick. So as you can see, there are like few Gucci lipsticks that I've found on OnBuy. So this is those super luxurious items and very basic items. If you also want to find, for example, I type winter hats. These are like quite a really cheap items. Some of them are having delivery fees and some wouldn't really charge it. For example, this one is free delivery and I found. So this is the way that you can just use OnBuy if you want to. So yes, you just need to spend time, as you know that if you are going to start a new business, you need to spend time. And one important point, patient. Be patient. When you are listing your item, don't expect that you're going to make your very first sale the next day. Another question that maybe a lot of people would ask is that, is OnBuy going to work? Are the products in OnBuy actually genuine? Are they real? So yes, of course it is, because we are selling in different platforms. We're selling the same ones on OnBuy. So yes, the items in there are real. OnBuy is the world's fastest growing marketplace at the moment with 8 million customers and millions of items which is being listed on OnBuy. You are going to have the chance to sell in there. And it is my own personal experience about OnBuy. It's a lot easier listing an item on OnBuy, faster. I'm going to show you in a video tutorial next time about how you're going to list an item on OnBuy as well, but today I don't really have that time I just wanted to give you an intro how OnBuy works and what OnBuy is. Once you've listed your item on OnBuy, then OnBuy is giving you this opportunity to make a boosting on your product. It's just like advertising campaigns on Amazon, which I think that's quite really complicated. I don't really know why, but OnBuy makes it, and the name is boosting. So what is boosting is like, once you're listing an item, you can boost your product. You can just pick a boosting, which is a lot easier and faster than Amazon. If you want to do it on Amazon, you need to make an ad group and then make an ad campaign. It's quite complicated, but OnBuy is very quick. You can just pick a boosting percentage for a product that you want to sell in there. Any item that I was picking these boostings in there, I was actually selling it right after a few days I made that boosting on my product on OnBuy. OnBuy is not having a warehouse at the moment. They are really, really ethical. They're not competing with their own sellers. For example, I type another item in here. I don't really know why I'm typing this. So yes, here there's this seller, very private owned seller who it's says, I can't really say the name, but the good point is that OnBuy is not selling it. While if you go on Amazon, type in an item on Amazon, like try to find an item on Amazon, Amazon itself is just selling literally everything in there. But one good thing about OnBuy that I really, really like is that they're really ethical. Fees are quite reasonable. It's only 6 to 10% on seller fees. Here is my final point about selling on OnBuy. As you need to know about to start selling online on every platform, not just on OnBuy or Amazon or eBay, you need to know that if you're starting from scratch, you can't really rely on it to build it as your own main source of income. You need to make sure that you're going to have another job or another business, and then you need to just spend time on it, making more boostings on your products and listings. But yes, in time, everything needs time. When we started selling on Amazon or eBay, we really we couldn't really sell a lot in there. Then we just listing more items, more products, and then so yeah, the business got quite successful. OnBuy could be a very good platform as it's the fastest growing marketplace at the moment. So you can start selling different products in there and start searching and finding the right market for every product that you want to start selling. I hope you enjoyed this video and I wish you the best. Hope to see you soon.